kids, welcome to Jack and Jill E-School. I am Yasmin. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. I love English. Do you like English? Yes. Let's learn pronouns. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. Here you find some commonly used pronouns. I, she, it, they, we, you, and he. Let us find some examples of pronouns. Whom you see in this first picture? A doctor. Shall we read the sentence? Priya is a doctor. Here, Priya is a girl. So, we are using she. So, she is a doctor. Can you find what is the pronoun here? Yes, she is the pronoun. Very good. Look at the second picture. One cute boy sitting with his puppy. You like puppy? Yes. Shall we read the sentence? Giri has a puppy. Here, Giri is a boy. So what do you use here? Yes, we use he. He has a puppy. So what is the pronoun here? Of course, he is the pronoun. Shall we see some more examples? Look at the picture. What the boy is doing? He is studying. Shall we read the sentence? I am studying. Can you find where is the pronoun? Yes, I is the pronoun. So, shall we circle I? Can you help me? Very nice. Now, look at the next picture. What the boy is doing? Yes, he is eating lot of food. You like to eat food? Even me too. Shall we read the sentence? I am eating food. Can you find where is the pronoun? I is the pronoun. Very nice case. Excellent. Look at the last picture. What do you see here? Your ball. Yes, this boy is playing with the ball. Shall we read the sentence? I like playing. Can you find where is the pronoun? Yes, I is the pronoun. Shall we circle the I? Very good. Hope you know of pronouns. Shall we move to the next slide? Here, we should circle the pronouns of we. Can you read the first sentence? We are friends. What is the pronoun used here? Yes, we is the pronoun. Shall we circle the we? Very nice. Look at the picture. What they are doing? They are going to play. So they are having some ball, right? Yes. Shall we read the next sentence? We are playing. Can you find where is the pronoun? Yes. We is the pronoun. Very good, kids. Wonderful. Shall we read the last sentence? We are in the school. What is the pronoun here? Yes, we is the pronoun. Very nice, kids. Shall we move to the next slide? Here, these are some examples of you. You are a smart girl. What is the pronoun used here? Yes, you is the pronoun. So we circle you. Look at the second sentence. You are a good boy. What is the pronoun here used? Yes, you is the pronoun. Shall we circle the you? Very good. Look at the last sentence. Can you read it? You can play today. What is the pronoun used here? Yes, the you is the pronoun. Very good. Shall we circle the word you? Wonderful, kids. Very nice. Shall we move to the next slide? Here, you see a lot of pictures. Here, circle the pronouns of he. Look at the first picture. Whom you see in the first picture? He is a pilot. You know who is pilot? The one who is driving the aeroplane. Yes. Shall we read the sentence? He is a pilot. What is the pronoun used here? Yes. He is the pronoun. Wonderful, kids. Shall we circle the he? Amazing. Look at the second picture. What the boy is doing? He is dancing. You like to dance? Very nice. He is dancing. What is the pronoun used here? He is the pronoun. Shall we circle the word he? Excellent, kids. You are helping me. Look at the last picture. One boy is kicking the ball. You like to kick the ball? Even me too. He likes to play. What is the pronoun used here? Wonderful. He is the pronoun. Shall we circle the word he? Very good, kids. Shall we move to the next slide? Here, you have to circle the pronouns of she. Look at this girl. This girl is having beautiful hair. Yes? Shall we read the first sentence? She is going home. What is the pronoun used here? Yes, she is the pronoun. Shall we circle the word she? Very good. Look at the second sentence. She is a good girl. Are you a good girl? Very nice. So can you say what is the pronoun used here? Amazing. She is the pronoun. Shall we circle the word she? Excellent, kids. Now, look at the last sentence. She likes reading. What is the pronoun here? Yes, she is the pronoun. Let us circle the word she. Shall we move to the next slide? Here, circle the pronouns of it. What do you see in the first picture? A beautiful sparrow. You like sparrow? Yes, it is a cute bird, right? Shall we read the first sentence? It is a sparrow. What is the pronoun used here? Yes, it is the pronoun. Shall we circle the word? Very good. Now, look at the next picture. What do you find here? A book. A blue color book. You like to read books? Yes. Shall we read the second sentence? It is a nice book. What is the pronoun used here? Yes, it is the pronoun. Shall we circle it? Very nice, kids. Wonderful. Now, look at the last sentence. It is raining now. Can you find what is the pronoun here? Yes, it is the pronoun. Shall we circle it? Very good, kids. Wonderful. Shall we move to the next slide? Here, circle the pronouns of they. Look at the first picture. They are good kids. What they are doing? Yes, they are studying. You like to study with your friends? Very good. Shall we read the first sentence? They are studying. Can you find what is the pronoun here? Yes, they is the pronoun. Shall we circle it? Can you help me? Wonderful, kids. Wonderful. Look at the next picture. What the boys are doing? They are playing. Shall we read the sentence? They are playing. What is the pronoun here? They is the pronoun. Shall we circle it? Very good. Now, look at the last sentence. They can read. What is the pronoun you find here? Yes, they is the pronoun. Shall we circle it? Very good, kids. Wonderful. That's all. I hope you all enjoyed learning about pronouns. I will see you soon in other video. Till then, bye.